Hey boys and girls, welcome back to today's music lesson. Before we get started, I wanted to remind you again that it is very important that you are doing your classroom teacher's work. All right, boys and girls, today we're going to learn how to make our own xylophone. So I know you've seen these in the music classroom. If you look closely, they are made out of wood and we use mallets to play with them. And also take a look at how the sizes change on each of these keys. So this one's longer or bigger. And then as we go up the xylophone, they get smaller. So notice how that changes the sound. If you notice, the longer ones are lower pitched, and then the smaller ones are higher pitched. All right, these are the materials that you're going to need for this assignment. All right, so notice that I have glass cups in front of me. So you're going to need an adult to help you with this project. All right, once you have your adult, you're going to need 8 of the same size and shape glasses. They can look different than mine. That's okay, as long as they're all very close to being the same. You also need a wooden or a plastic spoon. Please do not use a metal spoon. Any kind of paint, or if you have food coloring, that would probably work better. And water. So I have this pitcher full of water. Oh, and last thing, you're gonna need a towel, and this is just so that if we spill any water, you have something to catch that. All right, once you have all of your materials set up and you have an adult with you, you're ready to start filling up your glasses. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. We have 8 glasses. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice that they are all the same size and the same shape. It's very important that you find something as close as you can to being the same size and the same shape. All right, let's go ahead and get our water. I put my water inside of a pitcher. So we're gonna go to number 1. This is gonna be the most full, okay? So I'm gonna fill it carefully and slowly all the way to the top. All right, so that's the fullest. Number 2 is gonna be less full. So try to fill it as best as you can. It does not have to be perfect. The third one's gonna have less than the second one. Fourth one's gonna have less. Fifth one has less. I think you guys get the idea. Sixth one. Notice that I'm pouring slowly, and it's okay if you accidentally get one that has too much. You just pour it back gently. All right, the next one has less. Remember, do your best. It does not have to be perfect. And then the last one will have the least amount, and I think I can put a little bit more. All right, let's go back to the first one. So if you look closely, the level of water changes between each one. All right, so if you have extra paint or food coloring, now is the time for you to fill up your glasses. So we're just gonna fast forward for this part. That looks so cool. All right, so once you get your colors, now we're ready to make some music. So remember, we tried our best to fill the first one up the most, and then the last one the least amount of water. All right, so with your wooden or plastic spoon, we're gonna listen to the different sounds. So here's the first one. Notice that that one is a low sound. Here's the second one. Did that sound different? It should have, because that's less water. Let's try it again in case you didn't hear the difference. So all of those should sound different. If you notice, these two sound the same because they have the same amount of water. So I'm gonna take some water out. Let's see if they sound different now. Yeah, Yeah, a little bit. Okay, so now that you have your different sounds, you can make your own music. And I'm just gonna improvise something real quick. And your assignment is to improvise your own song. So we call a song a melody in music. All right, so here's my song. Awesome job, boys and girls. So remember, your assignment is to make up your own melody and also make your own xylophone with materials that you find at home. Please make sure that your melody is no more than 15 seconds. All right, good luck.